Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install any update on your Windows 10 or 11 computer and if you're receiving this error code that is 0x8024a203. So if you're receiving this error code then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now if you have Windows 11, click on system and then click on troubleshoot. Now if you have Windows 10, click on update and security. You will find update and security option. Click on update and security and then click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooter or additional troubleshooters. Now in Windows 10, simply click on Windows Update and you will see the option which says run the troubleshooter. So click on run the troubleshooter. In Windows 11, in front of it, you will see the run option. Click on run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 10 or 11. Now the next step is to use Windows 10 Update Assistant or Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So if you have Windows 10, open this link in a browser. Now if you have Windows 11, then open this link. For Windows 10 users, here you can see Windows 10 Update Assistant. So click on Update now. And once the download is complete, run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 10 Update Assistant. If there is any update, you will see the install option. For Windows 11 users, click on download now. This is Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Now once the download is complete, run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now if there is any pending update, you will see the install option. Install it and your Windows should be up to date. Now next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here. Type in Notepad in Windows search box and then click on Notepad. Paste all the command in Notepad and then go to File, then click on Save As. Name this file as wuauserv.bat. Now for Save As types, select all files and then click on Save. Now go to desktop, make a right click on wuauserv file and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time. Now once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services and then restart your computer, and after the system restart, update your Windows 10 or 11. Now the next step is to use media creation tool.
If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop. Find Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Then run the setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. and here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again it will check for update. Now before the installation you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get rid of this error, and you should be able to update your Windows 10 or 11. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.